Cesaria Promise. Pass to begin. Headers moving up on the outside. Kiss Bang Bang Maverick. Headers comes next. Guapo Pace. No Iana. Alongside moving up. Cuts the later. Then followed over by Captain of the Sea. And who else is the other player? Maverick. Kiss Bang Bang is on the outside. Guapo Pace. No Iana rushing up down on the inside forward. Promise in fifth. Headers is down in sixth. 7 cuts the line. Captain of the Sea. And who else still racing in last? Now we have Kiss. Bang Bang takes the lead. Promise on the outside second. Racing in third. No Iana moving up on the outside now. Is Guapo Pace. Maverick. Headers in sixth. Then comes cuts the leader. Kiss Bang Bang. Promise is on the outside. Fighting it out for the leader. No Iana in third, then followed by Guapo Pace. Kiss Bang Bang still the leader. No Iana. Promise on the outside. Guapo Pace. Here comes Headers. Kiss Bang Bang. No Iana. Now moving up by the road to take the leader. It's now No Iana. Kiss Bang Bang. Promise. Headers. No Iana. Kiss Bang Bang. Headers in the middle portion. Promise once again on the outside. Kiss Bang Bang. Promise. Headers. Promise. Kiss Bang Bang. Kiss Bang Bang. Promise. Moves up. Second Kiss Bang Bang. Headers. No Iana cuts the light. Then comes Captain of the Z. Guapo Pace. Who else? And Maverick.
Okay, Bayang Karerista, para dito sa inyo nga penultimate race ang ating pong unofficial winner, numero 4, that's Promise. Llamado siya dito, mas sa segundo numero 8, Kiss Bang Bang, numero 7, na si Headers, numero 2, No Iana, at para sa inyong Pentapecta, 9 horse, that's Catch the Line. 4, 8, 7, 2, 9 po ang ating unofficial place.